with John and Barbara Layfield here on North Levitt Road. Is this Champion? Leavittsburg, Warren, Ohio. Okay, well, John and Barbara now are joining our Platinum Customer Club. We just did a Polaris sliding patio door behind them, leading off to an existing sunroom on their house. Now they have us back in. We're going to be doing a big renovation project. They had us come back in to discuss a rear patio roof, well, awning over their back door. We're going to be taking out this these jealousy windows in this sunroom behind them, and we're going to be re-enclosing this patio with a Seaway Grandview sunroom enclosure. We're going to be installing 5 replacement windows in the house, all with the Polaris windows. We're going to be doing vinyl siding for the entire property, Alcoa mastic siding with the Everest, burgundy shutters, 2 garage doors, and we're going to be moving ahead with a front door. So this is a very big project here. So first off, on behalf of the company, I'd like to thank you both for the repeat business. John, Barbara, I just have to ask you a few questions. The gentleman that you had us come out, I understand that you had some windows done from another company, and then you had our guys come in and do this back door. About moving along with the other 5 windows, well, how did my guys work out for you versus the other company you had in here?
They were fantastic.
Good. You said that the other company that was out, what problems did you have with them?
They didn't clean up very well, and I still have chunks of wood that they left for me.
Poor craftsmanship inside the house.
Is that right? Good quality windows, but just poor installation, huh?
Right.
Okay. The guys that you had from Energy Wise out here, were they neat, courteous? Did they pick up after themselves when they were done?
Yes, they did.
They did. I got out my sweeper, and he says, "You don't need that. I've got one."
Oh, there you go. So we took care of all that for you. Fantastic. Well, if there's other customers that are in the Warren area, they'll see this video on our company's site, and certainly this will render a lot of credibility to them, knowing that Energy Wise is a good company. So what problems are you having now with the existing windows that you have out in the patio room?
They are terrible to clean.
Are they?
And the screens are on the inside, so you have to take the screens off before you can even do the windows.
Oh, okay. Very good. And the house currently, it's aluminum siding. Requires some painting there, and it's faded quite a bit.
Definitely needs it.
Good. Well, you're going to have a brand new house. When we're done with it, it's going to aesthetically look like a brand new home. So if customers wanted to replace their doors in their house or their windows with the gentlemen that were out for my company, would you give us a good reference?
Definitely.
Yes. Good. Obviously, you just went ahead to have one of our biggest remodeling projects done to your home. So this is John and Barbara Layfield. They live here on North Levitt Road in Warren. Folks, thank you again sincerely, and if you have any questions, give us a call, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you both.